On July 5, 2024, officers responded to a call regarding a verbal disturbance outside a residence. Upon arrival, they found two women who claimed the homeowner was their boyfriend and had locked them out of the house they all supposedly shared.
I ain't do nothing, so he ain't asked for this. I'm just here, so.
You have no relation to this person?
You're supposed to be our boyfriend, but you're not.
You're both your boyfriend?
She had more dealings, so.
Okay. Alright, so I need your information.
I'm not involved, so.
You just say he's your boyfriend.
No, I did not. I said he's involved with her. She talked to the officer. I haven't said a word.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you said our boyfriend.
Oh, no.
I didn't know what was going on.
No, I'm trying to fill you in.
Hey.
Here for myself in Foxtrot 2-3 at Harrison in the Sands, 17 and R.
That's your boyfriend?
Yes. He knows it.
Okay.
Got my family coming. Stay away from here. I got my cousins dying right now in the hospital. My mom and dad are coming. They're 90 years old. And my sisters are coming. Go away. They're like, no. They're jealous because I have my girlfriend there. Right? I have nothing to do with them whatsoever. They don't live here. They never lived here. They're devastated right here. And
Show them all the ring cameras.
Ma'am.
He wants to lie like he don't know it's because it's another woman in there.
Okay.
Another woman in there. He wants to show them ring cameras of us pulling up angry.
I'm shaking.
It's alright.
Shit on. I mean, they're begging, throwing the cooking to my door. Then she did that to my truck right there.
I have a question. Have you ever seen them before in your life?
One time, they came by here after the club.
For what?
To hang out, to try to flirt with me, try to get money from me. And I said, no. They're just strippers. And then they're trying to like, just like try to,
Do you happen to have your ID? Can you get from me?
And so I went to strip bar. And
just grab your ID from your please.
The officer now has two completely different stories. While the women outside insist they live at the house and are being wronged, the homeowner is adamant they are strangers who are trespassing and harassing him. With no clear resolution, the situation remains at a standstill until the homeowner provides definitive proof from his ring camera.
I heard we're his girlfriends.
I'm not his girlfriend.
So you lying to me?
No.
You lying to me.
I'm not his girlfriend. Look at the
She's not his girlfriend, but I mean, he likes both of us. So I mean,
he originally met her.
So you don't have no relationship?
No.
Okay.
You see, he ain't saying shit.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just like last time. I'm going to take the high to make an LI.
You said you were going to.
You see me
my girlfriend for the past 3 years.
I did your names at my job today.
He's been his girlfriend for the past 3 years. Oh my God. We never knew nothing.
So we find out everything when the cops get here. Okay.
Then I had to record this.
I've been busy. So what's the misunderstanding here? The misunderstanding is we had all these big group lock on. We can come back when we got back to Florida. That's right. Exactly. And we been back. You want to tell me we need a run mouth. And you can't hold it with the being.
This is crazy. But can you say that he's showing footage, but he lied and said people was breaking in his house that he didn't know.
Oh,
You
well,
clearly
we'll
know.
see the footage now and go from there.
You're right. So why she be coming trying to insert herself in shit? The same way she running up to the car every time.
You can't talk like this in front of my house like this. That's too much of a show.
Okay, so you should have invited us in. Like, alright, my camera off.
My sisters.
It's cool.
You are such a liar.
Don't stop. Don't start that.
And she been calm for stepping outside like she involved. You have no involvement in it.
But don't talk to him right now.
I'm talking about that other girl. You see she keep coming outside?
They wouldn't leave.
Where are you guys gonna go after this?
Hotel.
I have to get a hotel now because he won't even give me my stuff out of there. He said we don't live here.
A hotel.
It's crazy. He won't give me my things. He won't let us in. He won't even let us. I mean, how can he do this to me? And then he just stand there like I'm nothing. Like I'm not shit. Like we haven't been laying in there all together.
Here yesterday, it was the same.
Yes.
It was the same thing. You
No.
found out, or you didn't know?
No,
No.
we actually went in. We chilled, you know.
We was
had
together.
drinks.
All of us was
We
together
cool.
yesterday.
Okay.
Yesterday,
And
all of
then
us was
we
together.
left. We ended up leaving. We came back. In the midst of us coming back, he was coming outside with that young lady that's in there. And he was like, oh,
He don't want to give me my
friend.
clothes. He don't want to let us come. I don't
Gotcha.
even, we were all just together yesterday.
Like, okay.
We were all just
I'll
together
take it, too.
yesterday. I can't believe he did this to me.
I'll tell you in a
He had
second.
my clothes in here. How can I get
I got a tire in the backseat of my car. Can you put them in yours, holding there while I do everything else? Okay. Thank you. All right. You are being detained at this very moment. Okay. Can you do me a favor? Can you put your hands behind your back?
Mhm.
Can you turn around for me? Can you turn around? Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Why am I being detained?
I'll explain everything in a moment.
Twist it like this, so it's more comfortable.
Yeah, it's more comfortable for you. Okay. All right. I'm gonna have a female come and pat you down. All right. Just do me a favor. Which one's yours?
Adult 18.
Do you have shoes, Jasmine?
Yes.
We'll grab. Can you? Yeah.
Can you
Just,
put a
we'll
tag
grab
in
it.
the bathroom, please?
Yeah. Just give it to my partner here.
Can you tell me?
Okay, so Jasmine, the camera's caught you on camera scratching, which is criminal mischief, vandalizing his vehicle. Okay, that is a crime.
Did you put over the radio for the female or not?
So what do I have to do?
I'll do it if you don't.
I'll explain to you in a moment.
Do I have to go to jail?
Just have a seat for now.
Just have a seat for right now.
Do I have to go to jail?
I'm gonna have a female come. Okay, she's gonna make sure.
Can you just answer my question? Do I have to go to jail?
Yes, ma'am. You do. Okay.
What?
Because you can't vandalize somebody's car. Just have a seat for me,
There's
for a second.
stuff in there. We stay here.
Just have a seat for me, please. Please. Okay.
Do I have to go to jail tonight?
I'll explain to you in a moment everything else. Do you have an ID on you as well?
2454 Adam He was saying that she might not be able to bond out over the weekend. How y'all processes work out here?
Well, it's Friday, so right now it's already too late. So once she goes in, they don't work on Saturdays and Sundays, so she doesn't have to wait till Monday.
Oh my.
Right. Do you have an ID on you?
I don't
Can you get
know.
that? Thank you. And you're willing to take a jewelry and stuff like that?
Can I
Are those
talk to
slides?
her?
Are those slides hers?
No, she got hers on. I gave it to the other
Okay.
officer.
All right. Give me a sec. Let me do what I need to do, and then you can talk to her in a moment. All right?
We can get the bracelet. No, if it did
Jennifer, you're going to the Hollandale access number.
Is it possible? Chelsea is okay with it?
I think there's another use.
Chelsea 18, absolutely. You go to signal 7 first.
Thanks for my friend coming.
Leave my passport.
She's gonna come in. She's gonna talk to you in a moment. You want your jewelry to go with her? Yes. Okay.
Based on the video evidence showing the damage to the homeowner's vehicle, Jasmine was charged with criminal mischief for damages amounting to $1,000 or more. What did you think of this case? Do you believe the officers handled the situation correctly? Or was the homeowner justified in calling the police? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We read every single one and love hearing your perspectives. If you found this video compelling and want to see more content just like it, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps our channel grow. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and ringing that notification bell. That way you'll be the first to know when we release our next investigation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.